Hello everybody, this is Lucky again. I hope you are all having a wonderful and great day. So today we're gonna use Python and especially the turtle module within Python to emulate a drunken pirate. Now what that means is this turtle or turtle pirate is going to walk around randomly. 100. So what that means is, so we're gonna have this turtle walk forward a random amount of steps and then turn a random amount of angle and repeat this process about 8 to 9 times. Okay, so without further ado, let's begin. We're gonna import turtle. We're gonna let Python know that, well, we're gonna use the turtle module. Okay, now we're gonna assign the screen. Turtle mean turtle.screen, turtle being of the turtle module, screen being what it is that we're assigning. wn.bg color, so bg means background, color is ditto color. Alright, so I like to do light green. Right, moving forward, let's go ahead and title the space or the window that the turtle will draw on, and we're gonna title it ARG. Get it? Haha, pirate. Anyways, moving forward, now we're gonna assign the turtle's name. I really like Jack Sparrow from the Pirate of the Caribbean, or Caribbean, so I will go ahead and name this turtle Jack. Turtle dot meaning of the turtle module, dot turtle with the big T meaning what it is we're assigning. Alright, Jack speed will be 0. Okay, someone wise once upon a time told me that if you set the speed to 0, this would maximize its speed. Jack that shape meaning, well, you know, the shape of the turtle. I'm gonna say turtle this time. You know what, I'm feeling giddish. Let's do circle. Haha, because after you drink a lot, your belly's round like a circle. Alright, Jack.shape. What am I missing? Let's go ahead and make his, you know, quote unquote footprint thicker. So pen size, I like to go with number 3. Okay, so alright, moving forward, I'm gonna hit save for now, just so we don't have to worry about typing this ever again, huh? Alright, so let's see. Now we're gonna define a function. So we are telling ourselves that we want this turtle to turn about randomly and to walk about randomly. Alright, so I'm gonna name this Jack Sparrow. Okay, with the parameter T and number of turns. So I'm gonna go ahead and maybe I'll just do N. Okay, alright, so we're gonna go ahead and describe what I told you we would do for this program. So turtle T will walk about randomly, random angle turns and random steps, amount of steps. Now also, here's a rule of thumb. Try to keep this below 80 lines. Every line should be below 80 characters. So, you know, just for legibility purposes. So, there we go. I've just returned this to the next line. Makes it easier to read. Okay, moving forward. So, we're gonna walk about randomly with random turns and random steps. So we're gonna have to import what's called a random generator. Import random. Okay, this is another module within within Python that lets you do, well, what it says, random things, right? So you see in a bit here. So I'm gonna assign turn angle to angle okay, so random meaning of the random module, random int or randint meaning random integer generated within whatever I tell it to. So for example, if I write 1,55, it will generate a random integer within anywhere between 1 and 55. Alrighty, so if you think about it, a random turn could be anywhere. You could turn from behind you, you could turn to in front of you. So I'm gonna go -180. I mean behind ya, to the left of ya, to the right of ya. So -180 and then 179. Notice how I write 179 right here, because well, if you start from -180, you don't, once you go all the way around, 179 is already like 360 degrees. Does that make sense? Like I don't need to cover 180 degrees behind me anymore, because it's already covered on this side. So I don't need to do it on this side. Okay, that's pretty easy to understand. Let's go ahead and move forward. So we already have the random angle set. Now we're gonna take steps, and again, there are random steps. Now we don't want this turtle to meander, outside of our visible window. I have a pretty wide screen, however, it's limited still, and I'm sure that I want to say a large percentage of the population out there don't have a very wide screen. So we're gonna do just maybe 100 pixels, so 100 steps. Okay, so anywhere between 0 and 100 steps. You know what? Let's do 1. We're gonna start with 1. All right. Moving forward. Okay. Now, one more thing that we need to do with this program is to record turn angle and number of steps into a list. Okay. So now we're gonna need to generate a list. So L, or capital L, equals, we can do capital L or whatever variable you want. Capital L stands for list with a big L. That's all. Okay. So now for I in n. Okay, so for value, we can say value. For value in n, meaning for whatever number in n, I guess we can stick with I being integer. Yeah, for I in n, for value in n, we are going to have the turtle go forward random amount of steps. See, you see what I did there? I've set this to generate any integer value between 1 and 100. I guess I should say 0 and 100. And this should be 181. Okay. Oh, actually, if that's the case, aha! Between 1 and 100, something kind of clicked in my mind, and I feel like this would be better. I don't know why, but we shall see. Okay, so then t dot lt, or lt meaning left turn, okay, random angle. So I mean, the reason why I've changed this just now, because I have a feeling like, because the way I said it to myself, random integer between 1 and 100, right? So it could be anywhere in between. You wouldn't take the first one, and that's how I kind of understand it. Correct me if I'm wrong. Please say it in the comment. Don't give me a thumbs down. Don't unsubscribe. Okay, I hope you learned something from this. I'm a learner myself, so I hope you could appreciate that. Anyway, so going forward. Alright, I think I'm done. Now I just have to call out this function here. Oh wait, no, I am not done. See? I have to... So now I'm saying, look, for every integer value in n, do this, then do this, and then one more thing, do this. This is new. L.append parentheses, 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 angles taken, and the number steps. So you put it whatever you want. So let's do angles first and the number of steps following. Okay, so angle comma steps. Aha. And then print it out. Not within the for loop, or also print out however many times you set your n value to. So alright, so we're gonna do print, let's see, L. That's it. And before I run this and make a fool of myself, let's go ahead and put this in parentheses, n plus 1. Okay, because any list starts from 0. So we're gonna have to do n plus 1 to have the number of times that this n value displays. Okay, so T, our turtle's name is Jack with the capital, and n times, well, let's do 10 times. Okay, this turtle is going to move forward in a random amount of steps and turn randomly 10 times, right? And each time his actions will be recorded within the list L. Okay, so without further ado, let's see how we did. Run. Name turtle. It's not defined. Well, excuse me, grammar Nazi or spelling Nazi. There we go. Turtle. It's not defined. Alright, so let's see if I have any more spelling mistakes here. Okay. Turtle has no attribute turt. God bless my spelling. Turtle. Okay, so let's run it again. Int object is not callable. What line is that? Really? Perhaps it's being picky about where I put this. Let's find out. Let's run it again. Integer object is not iterable. What did I do wrong? Steps angle for I in n plus 1. That should be correct. Perhaps you guys can tell right away what I'm doing wrong. I usually could catch myself fairly quickly. So let's see if I could this time. For I in... Aha! That's it. That is it. So if I don't put I in range, it will just say within n plus 1. It needs to be a range. Okay? No more problems. There we go. As you can see, the first time, let's go ahead and make this slower. Okay, so the first time this thing went forward 89 steps and turned left 77 degrees. No, it went angle first. So the first time this thing went 77 steps, then turned 77 degrees. Then it went forward. Where is my Then it went forward 92 steps. Then turned negative 133 degrees. So you see that? That seems like a, right hand turn to 133 degrees. Yeah, so as you can see, this is it. One thing I would change about my code now that I think about it, trying to read out the information, is I would put steps first and then angles. Makes more sense, because here I take steps first, then I put angles. So anyways, once again, my name is Lucky. My email is loccing@gmail.com. Excuse my tongue tie there. Alright, have a wonderful day or night. I will see you next week. Take care now. Bye bye then.